comeback.
Who? A sports champion or a viral social media influencer?
No, I am talking about the great Sunita Williams. After an intense 286 days in space, she finally returned to Earth. Can you imagine orbiting the planet 4,577 times and covering a staggering 195.2 million kilometers?
That's unreal. And it wasn't just about floating in zero gravity. She had to endure extreme tests, high pressure conditions, and survival challenges.
Exactly, and that reminds me something closer to home. Have you heard of the recent Kashmir tunnel collapse? Remember how the workers were trapped in complete darkness for days, relying on their willpower and resilience to survive?
Yes, and the rescue team never gave up, working around the clock to bring them to safety. Whether in space or on Earth, survival isn't just about strength. It's about courage, endurance, and the right mindset. And guess what? That's exactly what our school prepares us for. Life's toughest challenges.
Our school isn't just about textbook and exams. It's a place that builds physical strength, mental endurance, and emotional resilience. Whether it's pushing through a tough match on a sports field, or cracking a tricky exam, or working as a team, every experience here prepares us for the real world.
And do you know what really helps us during exams? Meditation. Just like astronauts in space need focus and patience, we use meditation to stay calm and sharp during our most stressful moments. It's our secret weapon to clear our minds before we pick up that pen.
Absolutely. The breathing techniques and mindfulness practices we learn at school keeps us calm, focused, and ready to perform at our best. Just like Sunita Williams trained her mind for space, we train us for success and every challenges life throws at us.
No wonder our alumni always says the challenges and life skills we learned at Arya Gurukul made us truly ready for life.
And that's what makes our school so special. It's not just a place to learn, it's a launch pad for success. So today, as we present our annual school report, let's take a journey through milestones, achievements, and unforgettable experience that shaped us this year. Buckle up and get ready. It's going to be an exciting ride.
Hari Om and Namaste. Every monumental achievement begins as a mere spark, an idea, a dream, a vision waiting to be realized. It is passion, perseverance, and an unbreakable spirit that transforms aspirations into milestones. As we gather here today, we do not merely recount successes, we celebrate an extraordinary voyage of learning, resilience, and triumph. A heartfelt welcome to our respected parents, dear students, and dedicated faculty members. Arya Gurukul is not just an institution of learning. It's a sanctuary where young minds take flight, where friendships are nurtured and where values are deeply ingrained. It's a place where smallest of hands craft the grandest ambition and where challenges become stepping stones to success. At Arya Gurukul, education is not confined within the four walls of a classroom. It extends beyond textbooks and curriculum, reaching into the realms of experiential learning, character building, and holistic development. Our school does not just prepare students for academic excellence but for life itself, equipping them with the wisdom, resilience, and skills to navigate the world with confidence. Learning here is a dynamic journey that encourages students to explore, innovate, and lead. Dedicated by the profound ethos of Chinmaya Vision program, aligned with national education policy, Arya Gurukul strives forward with dedication and purpose. The year 2024-25 was an exceptional one, filled with accolades, innovation, and excellence.
Hari Om and Namaste. I, Sananda,
And I, Raghav.
are here to proceed further.
Imagine standing amongst the nation's finest, competing against the brightest minds and emerging victorious. Our students have done just that, demonstrating exceptional talent, perseverance, and intellect on prestigious national platforms.
Their achievements are a reflection of their unwavering dedication and the holistic education they received at their institution. Let us now take a moment to reflect upon the magnificent awards offered our dynamic Aryans, beginning with their feats at the national level. Veer Gata 3.0. Master Ved Ghanekar, student of grade 8, emerged as a national star among top 100 Veer Gata 3.0 winners. Awarded by Shri Rajnath Singh on January 25th, Ved was awarded a cash prize of Rs 10,000 and had the prestigious honor of witnessing the Republic Day parade the following day.
The National Analytical Aptitude Test. A moment of immense pride as Master Ayan Das clinched the first position, earning a cash prize of Rs 10,000, while Master Vivan Valani secured a remarkable third place. He also achieved the 74th rank in the National Science Talent Search Examination, a feat in academic history.
Montage Movie Workshop. Bhavin Kukreja, student of grade 8, showcased his creative brilliance and secured the second position in Montage filmmaking competition, reinforcing our commitment on innovation with artistic expression.
Karate achievements. Virat Srivastava from grade 1st showcased exceptional talent in karate, securing multiple wins at the national level. This shows his dedication and skill at the sport.
Swimming achievements. Anay Vardhe from grade 2 has made waves in swimming, achieving multiple victories in national level competitions. With his freestyle, front stroke and backstroke, he continues to showcase his dedication and skill at the sport.
Hariom and Namaste. Our athletes have brought a great pride to Arya Gurukul by excelling in various national level sports competition. Their dedication, discipline and sportsmanship have led them to remarkable victories. Our students secured top position in athletics, football, badminton and chess, competing against the best talent across the country.
These achievements stand as a testament to their perseverance, rigorous training, and commitment to excellence in the field of sports. Ms. Charvi Dhavle participated in the national level gymnastics, showcasing her exceptional talent and determination in this highly competitive sport.
Arya Gurukul takes immense pride in his exceptional performance of his talented and melodious youngsters. The harmonious team of Clarissa Rajgori, Tejal Zavle, Raina Mukherjee, Apurva Kalebere and Aparna Nair secured the second position at the national level in the prestigious Anuradh group singing competition. Adding to his remarkable musical triumph, the brilliant and gifted Master Vian Ram brought for the glory by securing the first prize.
This outstanding achievement stands as the proof to the school's dedication to holistic development, nurturing not just academic excellence but also artistic brilliance with a steadfast determination and deep-rooted passion for music. These extraordinary students have truly carved their niche, leaving behind a melodious legacy of excellence.
At the state level, Master Kshatriya Vikhande exhibited outstanding strategic acumen and mastery by competing against the prestigious chess championship, demonstrating exceptional intellect and prowess in this cerebral sport.
Our students participated in Vigyan Vidyarthi Mandal competition. Their curiosity, creativity and passion for science shone brightly as they tackled exciting challenges and presented innovative projects.
Enthusiastically participating in the Homi Baba exam, Aryabhatta challenge and intermediate and elementary exams, our Aryas showcased an unyielding passion for science, mathematics and arts. These challenging competitions provided them with a platform to think critically, apply knowledge and push their limits, reinforcing our commitment to experiential and holistic learning.
Our school's young innovators to the center stage at the CBSE Science Exhibition held at DPS Nerul, presenting groundbreaking ideas and scientific projects. This prestigious platform enabled students to apply creativity and problem-solving skills to real-world challenges, demonstrating enthusiasm, dedication, and a spirit of scientific inquiry.
Competitive examinations provide students with a platform to hone their analytical thinking, logical reasoning, and subject proficiency. Our young achievers demonstrated exceptional intellectual progress in in Science Olympiad Foundation, Silver Zone Olympiad, Unified Olympiad, and Talent Search Olympiad, competing in subjects like mathematics, science, English, cyber, gender knowledge, and painting. They showcased their excellence and dedication.
Language is the foundation of communication and critical thinking. The NELDAS examination is designed to enhance students' English proficiency, grammar, comprehension, and creative expressions. Our students enthusiastically took up this challenge, achieving outstanding scores, reflecting their command over the language.
A true test of linguistic mastery, the Spell Bee competition, enhances students' spelling accuracy, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Our budding linguists embraced this challenge with enthusiasm, displaying exceptional language skills and strengthening their foundation in English.
The Indian Talent Olympiad ITO Maths exam tests students' analytical thinking and problem-solving skills. Master Arnav Namdev has secured the third rank at the state level and earning rupees 1,200 scholarship, showcasing his excellence in mathematics.
Through this esteemed platform, our Gurukul continues to nurture intellectual curiosity, linguistic excellence, and academic brilliance, empowering students to become confident and capable global learners.
Hari Om and Namaste.
Our Gurukul firmly believes in the significance of sports as an essential component of holistic education. Our school encourages students who are participating over various sporting events, promoting their teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. Our students actively participated in DSO tournaments across multiple categories, showcasing their talent and dedication, resulting in 572 participation and 200 medals.
From athletics to football, badminton to chess, our students demonstrated remarkable skill and determination.
Their participation in these prestigious tournaments highlights the school's commitment to fostering physical fitness and competitive spirit alongside academic excellence.
The NCC camp held this year was a truly enriching experience for all participating students. It provided them with an opportunity to develop discipline, leadership, and a sense of responsibility. Through rigorous training sessions, outdoor activities, and team building exercises, students gain invaluable life skills and resilience. The camp instilled in them a spirit of patriotism, self-reliance, and confidence, making it an unforgettable learning journey.
The co-curricular activities held in academic year 2024 to 2025 have played a vital role in holistic development of the students.
These activities have fostered creativity, teamwork, discipline, leadership, and personal growth among students. The academic year 2024-25 began on a promising note with the annual day celebration, a spectacular display of talent, culture, and creativity. The theme, Chatur Chanakya versus World Wide Web, beautifully portrayed diligent and mindful use of social media, merging ancient wisdom with the digital era. Through captivating performances, our students showcased strategic thinking, ethical digital engagement, and responsible use of social media, leaving the audience truly inspired. The investiture ceremony was held in April, where the newly elected student council took their oath of leadership and responsibility. The principal and dignitaries conferred badges and sashes, inspiring students to uphold integrity and excellence. The grade 10 students took charge on Self-Government Day, stepping into the roles of educators and administrators. This experiential learning opportunity sharpened their leadership, decision-making, and teamwork skills, fostering a sense of responsibility and confidence. The day was a true reflection of empowering young minds and nurturing future leaders.
Hari Om and Namaste. At Arya Gurukul, we believe that the education extends far beyond the classroom. Our co-curricular programs empower students to develop essential life skills, cultivate creativity, and foster a spirit of innovation and leadership.
To enhance language proficiency, public speaking, and creative expression, our students actively participated in elocution, debate competitions, storytelling, and creative writing contests. These events celebrated diversity, nurtured artistic excellence, and provided a platform for students to showcase their oratory and literary prowess.
Physical fitness and sportsmanship remained at the forefront with students participating in inter-house tournaments in cricket, volleyball, basketball, football, and athletics. Our athletes represented the school in prestigious inter-school competitions, securing commendable victories. Additionally, yoga and fitness sessions were conducted regularly to promote holistic well-being and mindfulness among students.
To foster scientific temperament, problem-solving skill, and technological curiosity, students encouraged in robotic workshop, coding competition, and science exhibition. These experiences encourage critical thinking and innovation, preparing our young mind to excel in ever-evolving world of science and technology.
Our students took an active role in social responsibilities and environmental sustainability. They participated in cleanliness drives and tree planting campaigns. The Eco Club spearheaded various programs to raise awareness about environmental conservation, climate change, and sustainable living, reinforcing the values of community services and ecological stewardship.
Hari Om and Namaste. In today's rapidly evolving world, technology has become an integral part of education, opening new avenues for creativity, collaboration, and self-expression.
At Ari Gurukul, we strive to empower students with digital tools that enhance their learning experience while fostering innovation.
The Gen Z and Gen Alpha today can truly be called netizens, seamlessly navigating the digital world.
Making productive use of the internet, our students made us proud by participating in Giggle, a kid-friendly social media platform designed for safe and creative expression.
With 100% human moderation and kid-safe certification, this platform ensures a secure environment for young minds. We are delighted that Aradhya Bhatnagar and Aditya Mende won prizes for their exceptional contributions, reflecting our school's commitment to digital creativity and innovation. When words combine with a sense of technology, we witness wonders.
At Ari Gurukul, young minds transform their imagination into reality as our students authored and published their very own books on pre-books.
This incredible initiative not only provided them with a platform to express their ideas, but also allowed them to experience the magic of digital publishing and igniting a lifelong passion for writing.
It was a moment of immense pride as 35 of our budding authors watched their creativity take flight. With literary brilliance thriving, Ari Gurukul has rightfully emerged as a hub of literature,
A celebration of young talents and boundless imagination.
Hari Om and Namaste. Leadership is nurtured through student-led initiatives that promote responsibility, teamwork, and organizational skills. The Student Council played a pivotal role in planning and executing key school events, including the Self-Government Day and the Great 10th Farewell. These experiences empower students to lead with confidence, take ownership of their responsibility, and inspire their peers.
These experiential learning opportunities enhance knowledge retention, encourage inquiry-based learning, and strengthen friendships, making education a truly enriching journey. At Arya Gurukul, intellectual curiosity is nurtured through engaging monthly quiz competition that challenge students to think critically, expand their knowledge, and sharpen their reflexes.
These quizzes conducted across various domains foster the spirit of healthy competition and teamwork while enhancing subject-specific expertise. The students enthusiastically participated in literature quizzes which enhanced their language proficiency and literary appreciation.
Science quizzes encourage scientific inquiry and a deep understanding of scientific concepts, while mathematical quizzes strengthen logical reasoning and problem-solving skills. Wellness quizzes also played a crucial role in promoting awareness of physical and mental well-being.
These competitions not only reinforced classroom learning but also instilled confidence and a love for knowledge among students. As part of our commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship, our students enthusiastically participated in the Plastic Recycling Program League (PRPL), transforming waste into valuable resources and spreading awareness about responsible waste management. Through this initiative, they learned the importance of recycling and took active steps towards a greener future.
Additionally, as a part of our social and environmental responsibility efforts,
Students engaged in an eco-friendly Ganesha making workshop. This hands-on experience not only nurtured their creativity but also instilled a sense of environmental consciousness, encouraging them to celebrate traditions in an eco-friendly manner.
These initiatives reflect our dedication to shaping responsible global citizens who contribute meaningfully to society and the planet.
Hari Om and Namaste. Just as lamp cannot burn without oil, man cannot live without spiritual life, quoted Gautam Buddha. Traditions and values are deeply embedded in our educational philosophy. Throughout the year, 4 major celebrations are observed with great devotion and enthusiasm, reinforcing our cultural and spiritual ethos. The Gayatri Havan was conducted to invoke divine blessings and promote positive energy within the school community. This sacred ritual instilled a sense of peace, purity, and mindfulness among students and faculty, reminding us that spiritual growth is an integral part of holistic development. Matrapatra Pujit was a heartfelt tribute to parental love and sacrifice, where students expressed their gratitude and reverence towards their parents. This celebration reinforced the importance of family bonds and respect for elders, nurturing values of devotion and humility. The Sukhmani Path, a soulful station of sacred verses, brought a sense of tranquility and devotion, fostering spiritual well-being and inner peace among the students. The serene vibrations of the hymns encouraged mindfulness and a deep connection with one's inner self. On Guru Purnima, we pay homage to our teachers and mentors, acknowledging their invaluable role in shaping young minds. This occasion served as a reminder of the deep-rooted Guru-Shishya tradition and the transmitted power of knowledge, emphasizing that true wisdom is passed down through the guidance of enlightened teachers.
Hari Om and Namaste. These celebrations not only connected our students with their cultural heritage, but also instilled in them the virtues of gratitude, humility, and spiritual awareness, making their learning journey truly holistic. At Arya Gurukul, class assemblies and special observances plays a crucial role in nurturing young minds, fostering cultural awareness, and instilling values of respect, responsibility, and holistic development. Throughout the academic year, students actively participated in thematic assemblies, celebrating national pride, environmental consciousness, spirituality, and academic excellence. The values imparted through life and the Radhana are brought to life as students enact skits on meaningful and connected topics, making learning engaging and impactful. On International Yoga Day, students started the day with an invigorating yoga session highlighting the benefits of mindfulness, flexibility, and inner peace. Through speeches, demonstrations, and guided meditation, they emphasized the significance of a balanced lifestyle. The Hindi Saptah Assembly focused on the richness of Hindi language through poetry recitation, speeches, quizzes, and skits. Students explored the evolution of Hindi and its impact on the Indian literature and culture.
Hari Om and Namaste. Chinmaya Aradhana Day, honoring Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. A spiritual and reflective assembly was conducted to pay tribute to Swami Chinmayananda, emphasizing his teachings, values, and contributions to the society. Students presented his inspiring life story, quotes, and the significance of selfless service.
International Day of Older People, saluting wisdom and experience. To honor senior citizens, students enacted role plays and shared stories of their grandparents, emphasizing the importance of love, respect, and care for elderly. The assembly encouraged intergenerational bonding and empathy.
Mahamanav Saptah, celebrating humanity. This week-long observance included discussions, speeches, and activities focusing on compassion, kindness, and service to the society. Students presented inspiring life stories of the humanitarian leaders and their contributions to make the world a better place.
Independence Day, saluting our nation's freedom fighters. The Independence Day Assembly was a grand affair filled with patriotic songs, skits, and speeches celebrating freedom struggle. Students reflected on sacrifices of our national heroes and pledged to contribute positively to society.
Students paid tribute to the Kargil war heroes through poetry, dramatic enactments, and letters of gratitude to the armed forces. A touching video presentation and chanting of the patriotic slogans instilled pride and respect for the Indian Army.
This assembly was a beautiful tribute to Swami Tejomahananda, where students highlighted his contribution to spiritual education and wisdom. The event featured hymns, stories, and inspirational messages from his teaching.
Hari Om and Namaste.
What Earth Day, a pledge for sustainability. The Earth Day Assembly focused on climate change, conservation efforts, and sustainable practices. Students delivered thought-provoking speeches, skits on pollution control, and a place-taking ceremony to adapt eco-friendly habits. Janmashtami, the birth of Lord Krishna. The assembly featured lively enactments of Lord Krishna's childhood stories, devotional songs, and traditional dance performances. The event spread the message of dharma, devotion, and the power of righteousness.
Grandparents, tribute to our pillars of strength. Students expressed gratitude through heartfelt speeches, songs, and personal anecdotes. Grandparents were invited to share their wisdom, strengthening the bond between generations. Guides Thapna, welcoming Navratri with devotion. To mark the beginning of Navratri, students performed Aarti, devotional dances, and explained the significance of Durga Puja. The event instilled the values of faith, discipline, and perseverance.
Patriotism is at the heart of our Gurukul, and our students proudly celebrated Independence Day and Republic Day with great enthusiasm. The celebration featured flag hoisting, inspiring speeches, cultural performances, and patriotic songs honoring India's rich legacy. The highlight of both the events was impressive parade and synchronized drills performed by school cadets, showcasing their discipline, leadership, and dedication. Their participation added a grandeur to the occasion, instilling a deep sense of national pride among students. The celebration reinforced the values of unity, responsibility, and commitment to the nation, inspiring every Aryan to uphold the spirit of patriotism.
Hari Om and Namaste.
Academics is the cornerstone of our institution, and this year, once again, our students have demonstrated remarkable dedication and perseverance in the CBSE board examinations. We take immense pride in announcing that Dhun Jain secured the first position in grade 10th with an outstanding 98.60%, while Midhuna Klekail topped grade 12 with an impressive 91%.
Their exceptional achievements serve as a reflection of their hard work, perseverance, and the steadfast support of the dedicated faculty and parents. The commitment to academic excellence displayed by our students not only brings pride to our institution but also serves as an inspiration to their juniors. We extend a heartfelt congratulations to all our students for their commendable success and wish them continued distinction in their future endeavors.
At our institution, we strongly believe in continuous learning and professional enrichment of our educators. So this year, various capacity building workshops and continuous professional development sessions were conducted to equip our teachers with innovative teaching strategies and emerging educational trends.
Workshops on artificial intelligence and Bloom's taxonomy provided valuable insights into integrating technology and effective pedagogical approaches into classroom teaching. Additionally, the Teachers Enrichment Program offered a strong foundation, ensuring that our teachers remain on the forefront of modern teaching methodologies.
The annual review program Meet Cascade served as a platform where the school leaders and faculty get engaged in strategic planning, discussion, and collaborative decision making to refine and enhance the academic roadmap for the institution.
These initiatives reinforce our commitment towards fostering a culture of lifelong learning and excellence among our educators.
Hari Om and Namaste.
We are proud to share that our institution has got national recognitions across various platforms, reinforcing our commitment to excellence in education and holistic development. Education World India School Rankings 2024-25 ranked number 17th in Maharashtra and number 2 in Kalyan Dombivali in the Co-Ed Day School category. Education Today Maharashtra School Merit Award ranked among the top 20 schools, securing rank 6th in Thane and rank 10th in Maharashtra. Times Education Icon Award honored under the National Curriculum category for 2024-25.
School Got Talent featured among top 10 most talented schools in India, a testament to the vibrant talent within our school community. Swami Vivekananda National Award 2024-25. Our principal received the Best Principal Award celebrating visionary leadership in education. Education Leader of India Beyond School Awards Novotel Mumbai. Honored for excellence in skill-based education, highlighting a focus on future-ready learning.
These accolades reflect not just institutional success, but a collective spirit of our educators, students, and community who strive for continuous growth, innovation, and impact.
These remarkable achievements stand as a perseverance, talent, and dedication of our students. Their success across diverse fields, academics, sports, and creative arts reflect their unwavering commitment to excellence. As they continue to push boundaries and strive for greater heights, they inspire their peers and bring immense pride to the school. We congratulate all our achievers and look forward to witnessing many more such talents in the future.